Hi my friends, this is again your most welcome. Today I wanted to show the pattern of this beautiful Irish casual lace motif. This video is dedicated to you. So let's crochet together. Start the slip knot and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert your hook in first chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 1. Make 15 single crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 2, 1 and 2. Then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make a half double crochet in third chain. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a half double crochet in third chain, third stitch. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a half double crochet in third stitch. Chain 6 and make a half double crochet in third stitch. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a slip stitch in first stitch. Make a single crochet in first space. Make 9 double crochets. 1. Please watch my videos online to motivate me to make more videos. Many thanks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Make a single crochet. This is my first petal. Make a single crochet in second space. Make 9 double crochets in same space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Make a single crochet and keep repeating. I crochet all around. At the end, remove your hook, insert your hook in first in one leg of first single crochet, then pull through. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Remove your hook, insert your hook in next single crochet, then pull through. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, remove your hook, insert your hook in next single crochet, one leg of next single crochet, then pull through, chain 8, remove your hook, insert your hook in one leg of next single crochet, then pull through, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, remove your hook, insert your hook in one leg of next single crochet, then pull through, chain 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, remove your hook, insert your hook in first stitch, then pull through and turn. Make a single crochet in first space, make 3 double crochets in same space, 1, 2, and 3. Make 5 triple crochets in same space, yarn over twice to make a triple crochet. Okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make 3 double crochets again, 1, 2, and 3, and make a single crochet. Once more, make a single crochet in next space, make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Make 5 triple crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and make a single crochet. Keep going. I crocheted all around. At the end, make a single crochet in first single crochet, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook in fifth chain, then make a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Insert your hook in sixth stitch and make a single crochet, chain 8, insert your hook in fifth chain and make a single crochet, chain 3, and make a single crochet in first single crochet of next bottle. To help this video reach more people, please like it. Thanks a lot. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make a single crochet in fifth chain, chain 3, and make a single crochet in 6 stitch, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make a single crochet in 5th chain, chain 3, and make a single crochet in 1st single crochet of next petal. Keep going. I crocheted all around and then chain 3 and make a slip stitch in 1st single crochet. Make a slip stitch in next stitch, make a slip stitch in next chain, make a slip stitch in next chain, make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch in this ring, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, and make 10 double crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's crochet 11 double crochets in next ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Keep going. I crocheted all around. At the end, make a slip stitch in 3rd chain. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for watching and for the thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. I hope you enjoyed crocheting it. Bye for now.